Now let's work on the sales page. So first thing we're going to do, again, just like with the squeeze page, we're going to select a template. And let me just browse through here. Simple, clean, classic sales letter page. Preview it just to make sure it's something that I'd want. Okay, I think I'll go with this. So I'm going to go ahead and select template. And there you go. So it's pretty easy. Now in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and add my sales copy to this template. So now that we've got a funnel structure to work with here, let's start selecting the templates. And the first one we're going to select a template for is the first page, which is our squeeze page. So here's some templates that we can choose, and you can preview them by just clicking on the preview here. So for the first one here, let's click on preview. And I'll skip this template. Let me keep looking for a template that'll suit my needs here. Okay, so this is nice, simple, and short. I think I'm going to go with this one here. So I'm going to select the template. And there you go. So in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and edit the content and the copy on this squeeze page. The next thing that I want to add to the sales page is this text right here that's right underneath the headline. And this text here is where I highlight the problems that my customers may be having. So let me just quickly read it here. It says, trying to end your struggle with finding the right online business opportunity, blah, blah, blah. And it says here, stress may have already gotten the best of you. Maybe you have spent hours searching the internet for opportunities. And it ends with, and they all left you with frustrating results. So this section right here, I'm going to put onto the sales page. So this is what I just completed. I've put this headline here, and underneath that, on this template, there's a button here where it says, yes, I want instant access now. So there's a buy button here, and this actually looks good. And I think I'm going to, instead of just deleting it, removing it, I'm going to keep it there for now, and I'm just going to create a new section here. So I'm just going to click here, add new section. And now I'm going to add a new row and make it one column. Okay, add new element, and instead of selecting headline, I could go with paragraph, or let's see, text area, and I think I'll go with paragraph. Now I'm going to go back to my Word document. Okay, copy the first couple of sentences. Okay, and just increase the font size. I'll make it 22. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to paste on here are the bullet points. So I'm going to click on add new element, and instead of selecting paragraph, I'm going to go to a bullet list. Okay, let me see if I could just copy and paste all the bullet points onto here. No, you can't. Okay, so I'm just going to do it individually. Let me just do it again here. Okay, and I believe you should be able to change the icons here. So instead of just a check mark, if you want, you could change it to something else. So let me just see if I can do that here. List type icon list. I can make it an ordered list, so 1, 2, 3. But if I go to icon list, maybe I could go to themes and I could change the look. So if I select this, let's see what happens. And there you go. So this one looks a lot better. I'll go with this. And if I go to advanced, let's see what my options are here. I guess you could pick these icons, but I'm just going to skip this for now. I don't want to take too long showing you how to put some bullet points on the sales copy here. And let me just increase the size of the font. And the last thing to add is the last sentence of this section. So I'm going to add new element, paragraph, and just paste the sentence onto here and just format it. And there you go. So when I'm done that, just click on save. So here I am in my ClickFunnels account, and I'm going to click on add new to create a new funnel. And I'm presented with two options here: cookbook builder process and classic funnel builder. The cookbook builder process, what this means is that if you choose this, you could explore different types of funnels and pre-done funnels and basically find the right funnel for your business. And the other option here is a classic funnel builder, which is just to create a new funnel from scratch. So instead of looking for a pre-done funnel that I could use for my business, I'm just going to create a new funnel from scratch. So I'm going to click on here, create new funnel, and now I get to choose the goal, or they're asking me what my goal is. So my goal here, let's just see the options here: to collect emails, sell a product, host webinar. My goal is mainly to sell a product. I may want to collect emails too, but I'm going to go with this one: sell your product. Okay, now I'm being asked what type of funnel: a sales funnel, which it says here to sell your products after collecting leads with a squeeze page, or a product launch, sell your product in a launch sequence with video pages, or a membership, sell your content with a membership that you can charge for. And I'm going to go with the first one here, sales funnel. Now I'm going to create a name for this funnel, and here it says select group tag. I'm just going to skip that for now and click on build funnel. And there you go. Now as you can see here, I have the pages for my funnel, and the next step is to choose the templates. In this video, I'm going to input my sales copy onto my sales page template. I'm going to click on edit page. Before editing, I'm going to take a look at the entire sales page template here. Okay, so let's get started here. First thing I'm going to put here is my headline. So I'm going to go to my Word document, and my headline is Internet Marketing Expert Reveals How to Earn a Full-Time Online Income in Just 1 Year. Paste that onto here. Now to make this stand out more, I'm going to change the color of the font. Now for whatever reason, the color of the font's not changing, so I'm going to try to create a new headline here, see if that works. I've never had this problem before, but so I'm just going to create a new element here, and again I'm going to paste my headline onto here, and let's see what happens. Text color white, and there you go. So that works. I'm going to delete this one here. So to delete, I'm just going to click on this garbage icon here. Actually, I shouldn't have deleted that because I do have a pre-headline. Let me just go here. My pre-headline is, are you still struggling to work from home and not have to worry about commuting to work? So what I'll do is I'm going to clone this, okay, and I'm going to put my pre-headline here. Let me just copy this. And let's just decrease the font size. And maybe change the color of the font. And my headline, it seems like the font size is a little too small, so I'm going to increase the font size. And now I'm going to click on Save. And now it's asking me to change the SEO metadata. So let me just quickly edit this here for now. And again, I'm going to click on Save. I don't have a sales video for the sales page, so I'm going to delete this sales video here. And again, click on Save. I actually have another headline here. This is a sub headline. So let's copy this. Click on Add New Element. And I'm going to choose sub headline. Make this bold. And maybe I'll change the color of the font to something different. And now I'm going to click on Save. In this video, I'm going to edit the squeeze page that I've just selected. I'm going to click on Edit Page. Let's just read what it says on this current template. It says, free video exposes how one newbie banked 11,000 in 2 days with no prior knowledge. Okay, so this is the headline, and then here is the text telling, let's just read it. Sign up now and get the exact same strategy that one kid used to transform his entire life. Okay, so this is where this is the call to action, I believe. Fill out the form below to get your free video sent. Name, get this now. Funnels. Okay, so here's the copyright information. You could edit it. I'm not going to edit this part here for now. I'm going to edit the headline and the other important parts of this squeeze page. So let me just go to my Word documents here, where I pasted some of the information that I want on my squeeze page. So I'm just going to select this and paste my headline. So my headline is the ultimate checklist that will show you how to quit your day job and earn a full-time income online. Now let me just fix this up a little bit. Maybe I just have to reduce the font. There. Okay, so now the call to action. Let me see if I have a call to action. And yes, I do. So I'm just going to paste it onto here. Okay, and let me just edit this call to action a little bit. It doesn't really look that good. Claim your free checklist. Enter your name and email to get instant access to grab this checklist. Okay. So I'm going to select bold. Maybe I'm going to increase the font size a little bit. And and change the color of the font. So text color, bold color. Because I've selected bold, it's become red. So let me just change the bold color here to black. Okay, and as I make these changes, I click on save. Okay, here it says fill out the form below to get your free video sent straight to you. So let me just replace video with checklist. Okay, and I want to change the image on here. So what we have here, this looks like a tablet of some sort. So I'm just gonna click on this, and where it says image, I'm just gonna click on here. These are all the images that I've uploaded, and I'm gonna do a search for something more appropriate. So I type in checklist here, and this is what pops up here. And just to let you know, all these images are copyright free. So let's go ahead and choose this one here. And it says here to double click on image to upload to your image library. So I'm going to double click on that. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add the image. Okay, so it has been added, and again I'm going to save it. And the last thing I'm going to do is to integrate my autoresponder into the squeeze page. So basically, when potential subscribers enter their information and click on and get this now, and they'll be subscribed to my list. So to do that, you just go to settings and click on integrations. Okay, and then you select your autoresponder. So in my case, it's get response, action, add to campaign, and then from here you would just select a list. And for now, I'm going to skip this since this is just a demo. Okay, and again, I like to save. I like to save often as I'm making changes, or just even if I'm not making changes, I like to continually save just to be safe. Now let's go ahead and preview the squeeze page. Okay, so it looks good. I'm happy with it, and I'm going to move on to the next step.